testing the Kawasaki KLX110. It was my first time riding a 110 and today was pretty muddy conditions. The KLX has a 110cc air-cooled engine, which has been around for years and bulletproof. It has an electric start but also a kick start if that fails. And a safety lockout system, which only allows an engine to start in neutral. It has 30mm front forks with plenty of travel and spring rates to accommodate all riders, while the back of the bike has monoshock suspension. It has a 4-speed gearbox with an automatic clutch, super smooth power delivery and multiple heat shields for extra safety. The KLX's sporty motocross style, it looks just like its bigger brother, the KX450F. When I first saw it, I loved the sticker kit that it had on it. It looks very sporty too, because I thought that it was a bit too big for me, but it ended up being a fantastic size. It was a lot of fun to ride because it was the speed that I wanted it to go, and it was really fun because it was really smooth. Dad put it in 3rd gear for me and I rode around in that gear all day. The brakes worked very well. The suspension was fantastic because it didn't jump around. It was just the right size because I could put a foot on the floor. The bike was very easy to turn. The power was just right for me and it was very smooth. I had a really good day and I think I achieved what I wanted to, that was riding a really big bike. I think it's perfect for kids like my age, and best of all, Kawasaki has a $300 cash back until Christmas.
For all your insurance needs, visit swaninsurance.com.au.